Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to start a new topic, that is hyperparameter optimization. Before I define hyperparameter optimization क्या होता है, you need to understand what hyperparameter is. So let's get started. There are different parameter values that are used to control the learning process and have a significant effect on the performance of machine learning model. तो अब ये parameters होते क्या क्या हैं ये देख लेते हैं. So they can be number of hidden layers, activation function, learning rate, units per layer, etc. Right. So most of the machine learning algorithms come with a default value of their hyperparameters, but the default values do not always perform well on different type of machine learning projects. Now, then hyperparameter optimization is the process by which we can find the right combination of hyperparameter values to achieve maximum performance on data at reasonable amount of time. Hence, hyperparameter optimization plays a vital role in the prediction accuracy of machine learning algorithms. Therefore, it is also considered as the trickiest part of building machine learning models. So, first, here are some common strategies for optimizing hyperparameters. The first one is grid search. This is widely used and traditional method that performs hyperparameter optimization to determine the optimal value for a given model. It works by trying every possible combination of parameters you want to try in your model. Though it guarantees to find the best configuration at the end, still it's not preferable. Now, the reason why it's not that preferable is that number of experiments to be carried out increases drastically as the number of hyperparameter associated with the network increases, and hence increased computational time due to lot of time taken to perform the entire search. Right? यहाँ पे हम इसको एक फ्लो चार्ट से भी समझ सकते हैं कि हाइपर पैरामीटर का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें हमारे मॉडल में क्या करना है, हाइपर पैरामीटर्स को सेट करना है. देन वी नीड टू ट्रेन द मॉडल एंड देन इवेल्युएट इट वेदर इट्स वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. एंड इफ इट इज़ वर्किंग प्रॉपरली वी कैन डिप्लॉय इट, एंड इफ इट इज़ नॉट देन द लूप विल बी कंटिन्यू until the performance is maximized. I hope it's clear. The another strategy for optimizing the hyperparameter is random search. This method works a bit differently. It chooses the value randomly rather than choosing a predefined set of values like grid search. It tries the random combination of hyperparameters in each iteration and records model performance. After several iterations, it returns the mix that produced the best result. So random combinations of the value of hyperparameters are used to find the best solution for the built model in the random search. But also it is having some drawback, as like it can sometimes miss some important points or some important values in the search space. But it is better than grid search as it requires less time to return the comparable result. The third strategy is Bayesian optimization. So in grid search or in random search, they are relatively inefficient because they often evaluate many unsuitable hyperparameter combination. They don't take into account the previous iteration's result when choosing the next hyperparameter. So in Bayesian optimization, it works very differently, as this method treats the search for the optimal hyperparameter as an optimization problem. When choosing the next hyperparameter combination, this method considers the previous evaluation result also, जो कि पहले वाले methods में नहीं हो रहा था, but इसमें it considers it. It then applies a probabilistic function to select the combination that will probably yield the best result. So these are the strategies which we can use for the optimization of hyperparameter and get best result out of our model. So I hope it's clear. Thank you.